Hello everyone, this is Pamper2. Today I received this in the mail. It's something I ordered on eBay for $25, including shipping. It's a hard drive based camera, no tape, and also not a flash drive either, so it's kind of a interesting little camera. The battery on this is this thing sticking out the back. So it came with a nice battery, and it was sold as is for parts. Something with the screen wasn't working, so let's turn it on and see what it does. This is going to be one of my cameras. I don't think it's HD, but it'll be one of my cameras for when I'm doing videos. How does that go on there? Like that. Okay, so let's turn it on. So there's the problem. The vertical sync is non-existent or not adjusted right. On old CRT monitors, I remember there was a knob for adjusting this so that it would sync the image, but I've never seen an LCD do this. It's probably the exact same adjustment though. And it also looks like the red is missing. Is the red missing? Oh, it's night vision mode. Okay. Let me turn that off. Maybe that's why it's all blue. Night vision. Okay, so the buttons are still, they're touchscreen, so I have to remember where the position is as it rolls through. Camera. Alright, shut that off. Open the lens. So how does this connect? Oh, is it some weird cable connection? Great, it's worthless now. Oh, hopefully it's in here. What the hell is that? Well, if I can go on a memory card, if it can record to a whatever card this is, then I would probably use it once in a while. I thought it would have at least, you know, a normal USB port. I might have to add one. Take this thing out, whatever it is, put a USB port there. Or maybe take out that silly connector. I gotta build a way to charge it too, because it's a proprietary plug there. Strip that off. Oh, let's take it apart. Alright, so this is the problem with it. It's just this red is missing, the color red, completely missing. And yeah, it should say record at the top and I can't see it. And also the V-Sync is not functioning either. That's why it's rolling. So first thing I'm going to do is just disconnect these and see if there's anything obvious right on this board here. Memory again? Okay, so I took the bottom cover off, and there's the hard drive. It explains the weird shape of this type of camera. I noticed how they're all kind of wide shaped, but I couldn't tell if that was the hard drive or not. And it is. Okay, so now I need to take that part off, see what's underneath it. Is it connected? Oh. Is this a solid state drive? No, it can't be. Okay, so I'm at the core of the camera. And look at all that empty space. I can fit my finger in there. It's just empty space. Kind of odd. So what was I doing? Oh yeah, the cable that goes to the monitor. So I'm guessing that one of the pins or one of the traces is broken inside the hinge here. So I'm going to take that flat flex cable out of there and measure the continuity on each pin. Okay, there's the pin. That one doesn't have continuity. Let's try the next one. That one does. So it looks like it's behind the pin behind this thing. Yeah. Anyway, it's one of those pins. I gotta mark it down. Okay, here are my notes. You can decipher that if you want. So there's two bad connections in this cable. I might have a replacement cable. Where did I put it though? Okay, so I need to replace this cable with something similar. I might have one. Okay, this is the closest I could find, and it's already cut to the right width. I line it up, you can see the pins line up. So I'm just going to connect this panel directly to the camera with the cable and see if it works. If it does work, I will figure out how to manage the routing for that. Okay, I have the cable connected and just temporarily hooked up. Let's see if it fixes the problem. Okay, it works. And the color red is there now too. Perfect. Well, kind of. I have to figure out how to route this or find a longer cable. Okay, so I found a longer cable that was wider, so I had to cut it down. But this now fits in here, and I'm just going to leave it flat and have it go through underneath here, so it's not going to be twisted up. Oh wait, ooh, it won't be able to rotate, or it won't be able to do this if I do that. I guess I could lock it in place so it never swivels again. Let me hook up the cable. Okay, there it is reattached, and I'm not sure if I'm going to route it that way or not, but if I rotate it, see how it won't last long. It's trying to bend the wire like that. That's why it was wound up in there a certain way. But if I just lock this in position so it doesn't do this anymore, it only opens and closes, then this should work just fine. And that's probably what I'm going to do. Try first. Okay, the side panel's reattached, and here's the extra cable I have just hanging out for now. What I'm going to do next is put some glue in there so it doesn't rotate. Just a little bit there and there. It works. Okay, let's see if it got that. Okay, let's see if it got that. Alright, I guess that's it for this one. It's all done. I still need to figure out how to get the files off the hard drive though, because the USB port isn't a standard one. It might even be the one on down here. Or find a memory card. So that's the new flat flex cable. It doesn't turn this way anymore, so I glued it right on there, right in there, so that wouldn't rotate. And that can be taken out later if I decide to modify it again so it does rotate. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.